Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your Kartra account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Zoom to your Kartra anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have various options available to your client. And when you connect your Zoom, you can use that as a meeting place option in your calendar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Zoom account, what you're going to do is here on the left, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this button here, integrations. It looks like a little puzzle icon. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the different integrations available, but you want to go ahead and scroll to the bottom until you see Zoom. If you don't see it for some reason, there is a search bar at the top of the page. Just type in Zoom. Once you see the Zoom logo, you want to click on these three dots and then new integration. All right, next, you're going to see this pop up right here, and you want to click on this blue button, connect Zoom. Okay, so you can see a new tab opens up with Zoom login. So you'll want to log into the Zoom account you want to connect to your Kartra. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, a quick second later, Zoom asks if I want to give permission to Kartra to access my Zoom information. So go ahead and read through this. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on this blue allow button here at the bottom. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see my Zoom is now connected to my Kartra. So I can now use Zoom as a meeting place in my calendars in Kartra. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your Kartra account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.